Everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick update on the court case that I've been involved in since June 11th, 2019, which was based upon the Flat Earth Challenge that we had posted after the publication of my 9th book, The Flat Earth as Key to Decrypt the Book of Enoch. Through Sacred Word Publishing, we posted a challenge to the world that should you be able to confirm either that there was true curvature to the earth or that the earth was moving in excess of 100 miles an hour, that you could win the $5,000 that we had posted as reward, and also the $3,250 which others added to that prize pool. And so we had a number of different contestants apply for and try to win that money, which those of us that have actually done the research, we know that without a question, curvature is non-existent, and that the dynamics of water also affirm that water cannot adhere to a ball, and that it will always settle out in a level, and that it cannot in any manner take on a curved form, as is shown in the depictions of the earth as a sphere. And so an individual named William Thompson decided to sue me in a court of law, saying that he had won this money, deserved the reward, and the basis for our contest or our discussion and deliberation before the judge ended up being focused upon whether, in my case, I appealed to the non-existent nature of curvature, and he tried to affirm that the earth was indeed round and spherical in shape, and to confirm that through his software programs curvature did exist, and that he deserved to be awarded this particular prize. And so in June 11th, 2019, the first case to be decided before Judge Judy Crow here in the Barrow County Magistrate Court. We came together at 9 o'clock in the morning. He presented his side, I presented my side. We then had a Q&A where we could question each other, and then we had a final conclusive statement, and then the judgment was rendered by the the Magistrate Court judge, which she did side with me and stated that basically he had not done enough or proven in any manner the sphericity of the earth, and that he deserved to win the money, and so the case was dismissed. Well, this is the actual court filing. The name of the case is 2019 MV 1104, which if you wanted to ask the court for the actual documents which are associated to the case, you can do so. Immediately after losing this particular case, Thompson then filed a perjury case against me, and this case was supposed to be decided in court on the 23rd day of July 2019 at 1 p.m. And he said as far as his claims that I had perjured myself, this is what he wrote. Plaintiff says the defendant is indebted to the plaintiff as follows. For fraud and perjury, Mr. Garcia incontrovertibly lied in court in jaw-dropping falsehoods that are demonstratively untrue. Lying in a sworn testimony is perjury and an offense. He played on to the emotions of the judge by being a victim in grotesque theater. I am owed $15,000. And so it was decided that we were going to have to come to court again. He was unhappy about the judge's decision in the first case, and immediately the day after, we concluded the case June 11th. On June 12th, he filed this perjury case against me. And so on July 23rd, 2019, when we came before the judge. Well, actually, we never even got to the point. The judge sent us out the day before and called all of us and said that she was going to allow the case to swap over to the appellate court. And so this case was going to be combined with another case he had filed against me, an appeal to the Superior Court for new ruling. And so the conclusions and the findings of the first case would be thrown out, and we would have to basically retry the case before the Superior Court judge. His name is Judge Mingledorf. So the judge had decided to combine the case and had set it for November 16th, 2019. But my daughter-in-law, Joy, realized I was going to be speaking at the Flat Earth International Conference actually on this particular topic. And so it was pushed to December 16th, 2019. And so I had prepared myself for that particular case, and we were going to come together, and I was really interested in his declarations that I had perjured myself, and I had also made it clear to the judge and to Thompson that I was going to countersue him for harassment, defamation, and slander for saying, basically calling me a liar, and that I had lied, in fact, in front of a court of law, which I had not in any manner, even though, of course, he did not accept or believe the statements that I had brought forth, which denied and affirmed that curvature was non-existent.